Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Divine Commissions review. In this video, I will give you a full tutorial of Divine Commission, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving Divine Commission for only less than $1. Its real worth is 12.47, but I'm giving it with a huge discount of $12. You can buy it only for less than $1. I will give you more information about it in later of the video. Now let me tell you what is Divine Commission is all about. So Divine Commission is a full training course which will show you these guy and how you can also convert $1 into $10 over and over again. This guy will tell you a strategy by which you can do this by leveraging the power of Quora, which gets more than 700 million of traffic per month. They will also give you their proven to convert campaigns, so you don't have to do anything. It also have unlimited potential of buyer, and they guarantee you that you will get results, which is a very good thing. It take just a few minutes to put this work on, and more details of this product I will give you later in the video, so watch it till the end. And in my recommendation, it's a very good product and you must buy it. So Divine Commission is going live on 12th of October 10 a.m. EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page and it will bring you to the sales page where you can buy it. Now as you know that I am also put my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below this video, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get from my link. Now let me tell you what are my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. So my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I am giving you $12 back. So this is the next bonus I am giving to you. If you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $12 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list that my list have over than 120k subscribers and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1,500 contest, and if you win this contest, you will win $1,500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to customers, and how to boost sales, make huge money, and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now, my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study, I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB traffic app from my link, which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus, which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cashback. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is 6-figure influx. This will tell you how to make 6 figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free. without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that. So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you have to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on my bonus page and buy it. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there is blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonus if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $12.47. And as you know that I am giving you $12 back with a lot of my bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of Divine Commission. So this is the sales page of Divine Commission, and as you can see there, secret powerful system revealed for the first time ever. Put $1 in and get $10 out. Hand holding training guide, complete newbies to daily cash commission. No content creation, no videos, no tech skills, and 100% real results. You can also watch this sales video of this product. Now there are some of its key features. Let me tell you one by one. Extremely beginner friendly. Turn $1 into $10 every time. All in one solution. Unlimited buy traffic. $30,000 case study included. Take just minutes, and it also have 30-day money back guarantee, which means if you don't make money in 30 days, then they will give your money back to you. And you can buy it by clicking this yellow button for only a tiny fee. And he is the creator of this product, Trevor, and here is whole team in his product. Now there are some of its detail about the product. Now as you can see, the Divine Commission training program. Now here are some of its more features and more details. There's the list of everything. You can read it out because it is very detailed. Now this is the sales page. Here many detail. There are some more income proof. There are some testimonials. Now this guy also give you some bonuses to buy Divine Commission. Bonus 1 you are getting is direct access to the Divine Commission Master. Bonus 2 you are getting is free training on how we made $43,000 in just 7 days. Bonus 3 you are getting is free high ticket training worth $1,997. Bonus 4 you are getting is unfair advantage in business and life custom training. And bonus 5th you will get instant approval to promote Divine Commission, and you can make up to $400 even you get a single sale. Now as you can see, it have 30-day money back guarantee, as I'll tell before. And as you can see, there are many details about that product. Now as you can see, here's the list of everything you are getting with, and its real worth is $8,579, but you are getting it only a tiny fee. Now there are some more details about the product. Now as you can see, these are all the creator of this product. These are basically whole team, and these are very good affiliate marketers and very non-internet marketers on the internet. So this is the whole sales page of Divine Commission, and you can read this whole sales page of its detail in your own time because it is very detailed. Now let me tell you its price and upsell. So its front end product is Divine Commission for only $12.47, and as you know that I'm giving a $12 back with lot of my bonuses. Now its upsell one is its pro version for only $27, in which you will get some more training, some more case studies, and extra hacks to 10x your profit and 10x your commission. Now it's OTO 2, which means upsell 2 is done for you for $47, in which you will get the done for you Jono's ads, and he will give your his proven to convert ads and proven to convert campaign. And its OTO 3 is unlimited traffic for only $97, in which these guy allow you to put your pixels onto their page. They will get millions of visitors per day on their sales page, and you can retarget them. Now its OTO 4 is traffic mastery for only $67, in which they will give you some traffic strategies. They will put all the traffic strategies they know and very other affiliate marketers know. They will give you everything you need about traffic in this upsell, and it is only for $67. and its OTO 5 is its reseller license for only for $97, in which you will get 100% license to Divine Commission, and you will get 100% commission on the whole sales funnel and make up to $1,000 even you get a single sale. So these are the all upsell of Divine Commission, and these are very good. So it's all about. Don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page, and please subscribe to this channel, help me to grow it, and like, share and comment. And if you have any suggestion, then please comment on this video, and if you can contact to me, then my email is in my description box of this video. And thanks for watching this Divine Commission review, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care, bye.